Hammer gang. Cause we always hit the nail on the head. Now y'all probably saying, T2Y, take that thing off, you know, you in the car. I'm about to get out the car, but I just wanted to drop this video real quick for you guys. Kind of give you guys a little insight on what's going on with recruiting or whatever. So most of you guys probably already seen some of this, probably heard of this, you know, but for those of you who haven't, I'm going to run a couple names by you. Now, this first guy, he is being, you know, heavily recruited by Miami. He's even being reached out by Bubba Bolden. He's from USC. He's a linebacker and, you know, friends of Bubba Bolden. So Bubba Bolden is trying to help to get this guy here. Bubba Bolden's even put out a tweet says he's coming. That's a linebacker, guys. You know, we've been struggling in that position. It is what it is. Plus, this week we was out like 3 linebackers. So, you know, Miami needs some competition at the linebacker position, and this guy will be, you know, a perfect fit. Hopefully he does come. It is what it is. He's in the transfer portal coming out of USC. Also, so Austin Barber out of Trinity Christian Academy. Basically, he just got a big offer from the University of Miami. He's a left tackle out of Christian Trinity. Now, he said that basically Miami offering him now has thrown a big loop into his recruiting. So hopefully we land this guy. It's a possibility. Now, also, another guy that, you know, he's heavily favored, heavily, you know, recruited by Miami. The fans are recruiting him. He even has his own hashtag, and it's been going on for months and almost a whole year now. Jake Garcia. 2 more crystal balls for Jake Garcia to the University of Miami. Everybody is thinking that he's coming. Hopefully he does. Like I said, keep this information until signing day, until they put their name on the paper and say they're coming to Miami. It is what it is. There's no guarantees. There's also former quarterback from UCF, I'm sorry, has hit the transfer portal. McKenzie Milton. Now, you know, this guy was doing great until injury, but, you know, he's back on and he's in the transfer portal. Now, Miami is said to be one of the destinations that could probably land this kid, seeing if D'Eriq King does decide to go pro. Now, also, it's also being rumored that Florida State is also in that list and might be at the top of the list for him. Seeing that Florida State has so much trouble at quarterback right now, it probably would be easy for him to go in there and get started right away. But not too much on him right now, so we'll keep you guys posted. Anyway, thank you. Hit that like button, share this with a friend, you know, subscribe to the channel if you ain't already subscribed. Let somebody know, man. Hammer gang. Cause we always hit the nail on the head.